hybrid by model. We just have to remember this circuit. Okay, now you are listening? Okay, so the complete amplifier circuit is, okay. So first of all, tell me what is this? This is HI, and then what is this? HR V0. So first you have to write VI here, II, okay, I0, V0, okay, right? This is the hybrid model of transistor. Okay, the complete circuit you will connect source resistance Rs, then a voltage source Vs. Okay, and at the output you will connect. This part is common for most of the circuit. Just pages, right? 4 digits. You have something like 4 pages. This part is common. This is the same circuit which is already there in your notes. Nothing to copy. Okay. Standard process for output admittance. Manasa. Very important. Okay. This will be useful for next semester also. Any circuit, the standard process for finding output admittance. Admittance means reciprocal of impedance. Okay. Resistance means voltage by current. Admittance means current by voltage. Clear? So, why not will be? Tell me what why not be the output? Yes. Jansi, what is why not? Admittance, current by voltage. Output admittance. So, what will that be? So, what should I write here? I not by V. Here we have to write I not by V naught. But standard process of measuring resistance or admittance. Standard process is, see, whenever you are measuring resistance, there should not be any voltage source which is connected in the circuit. Okay? How your multimeter measures resistance? There is an internal 9-volt battery that we are using. Okay, it will measure the current drawn from that 9-volt battery. Voltage by current it will calculate and it will give resistance. Okay. Now suppose you are measuring in the measuring network. If there is another source, okay, that will give wrong results because current is going from the 9-volt battery as well as from the source which is already connected in the network. So simple point you have to remember is there should not be any other source. Clear? Vs0. What do we mean by output admittance? It is the admittance looking into this network. Okay, it is the admittance looking into this network. Anyway, let us complete all this. What is this? This is HF, II. What is this? H0. Okay, this is the same circuit which we have seen in the previous class. Yeah, come on. So here if you apply KCL, what will be the KCL equation? I0 will be equal to HF II. This current is equal to this current plus this current. Right? Here H0 is admittance. H0 is admittance means 1 by H0 is by resistance. V naught by 1 by H naught. So this is HF I plus H naught V naught. Okay. So we need I naught by V naught. Will be what? HF I by V naught plus H naught. Okay, right? Next, what we need to solve? We need to solve for I by V naught. From where we can get this? It is the input loop which has both II and V naught term. Here, in the input loop, we have both II and V naught. So we have to apply KVL at input loop. But remember, what should be Vs? 0. So Vs is 0. We can leave this. So how many elements? 1, 2, 3. Sum of the voltages is equal to 0. Correct? So what is the first voltage here? What is the voltage here? Amchi. What is the voltage? What is the voltage here? Across this. See, now we have only 3 voltages. One is across RS, across HI, then this one. What is the voltage across RS? Ohm's law. What is the current going there? II. So II into RS. Next one. Nitish. What is the voltage here? II into HI. Very good. II into HI. Next. What is the voltage here? HR V naught. Direct. Okay? Directly we can take HR V naught is equal to 0. Vs is 0. That is why actually you will have Vs term, but Vs is 0. Whenever you are finding output admittance, source you have to make 0. That is the reason without Vs, remaining terms we have. So, IL you can take common, RS plus HI, you can write it as minus HR V naught. So, II by V naught will be minus HR by RS plus HI. Call this equation number 1. Okay, or what was the last equation we have given? 15, huh? Last equation number 15. So this is 16. Okay, correct? 16. So call this 17. 17 in 16 will give Y naught as how much? H naught minus HF HR by RS plus H. Okay? Right? Substituting 17 in 16. H naught positive, so I am writing positive. Okay? So this is the standard method. Any circuit to find output admittance or output. See, suppose question is asked output resistance. 1 by Y naught will do. Okay? 1 by Y naught is the output resistance. Now this is valid for transistor in general. Okay? This is valid for transistor in general. Suppose particularly question is asked. What was the idea we have discussed? Analysis of CE, CB and CC amplifiers in general. Suppose the question is asked analysis of CE amplifier. Then what you have to do is, okay, first you have to draw the CE amplifier circuit. Very simple CE circuit. Okay. Emitter common, CE common emitter. So emitter is common, right? Then this will be the load. This is plus VCC. This is V0. But you will have one capacitor. Okay? Very simple circuit. RS, DS. So suppose question is asked, you are able to see. Suppose question is asked, analyze CE amplifier. You have to draw this. Okay? Then we can start from here. Okay? But there are few simple modifications that we have to make. First, for all the experimenters, put a second subscript E for emitter. So what are the changes you will do? HI, HR, HF, H0. You will replace with what? HI, E, common emitter. Okay? Next, HRE, HFE, HOE. Same mathematical steps, but you will no longer have HI, you will have HIE because this is common. Clear? Okay. Next, what are the other modifications? This is emitter, this is base, this is collector. Okay. So the in place of VI, you can take VBE. In place of VI, you can take VBE. Right? Next, in case of II, what can we take? Anybody? I, base current. Okay. Next, in case of V0, what can we take? V0 here. So VCE. Okay. V0 we can take VCE. In place of I0, what can we take? Output is collector. Input is base. That is why input we have taken base current, base voltage. Output is collector. That is why collector voltage, collector current. Simple. So the same process you will repeat. In case of VI, what will you have? In case of VI, you will have VBE. Correct? Okay. Modify this. Put any analysis of CE amplifier. Just modify this. Steps will be the same. The final result will be the same. Only here you will have HOE, HFE, HRE, HIE. Here, steps. The logical steps will be the same. Only the variable is changing. Okay. Do it. That is for all the cases. Input impedance, voltage gain, current gain, output admittance, everything. Okay. So shall I put anything CE amplifier and modify? Okay. So what are the changes? VSRS as is. In case of II, we write IB. In case of VI, VBE. Okay. Next, all the experimenters second subscript E. HI, HRE, HFE, HOE. Right? Next, in place of V0, VCE. In place of V0, VCE. Okay. In place of I0, IC. In place of II, clear? Able to understand? So how will this step change? This will change to IC by VCE. Clear? VS 0. Then this is IC, HFE, IB. V0 now becomes VCE. H0 becomes HOE. So this is HOE, VCE. Okay? V, right? Clear? How will this change? This will become IB, HFE, IB. Then this is VCE, HOE. Clear? Obviously this is IC, VCE. Okay? Till the last step, so on. Okay, I will change IB, HIE, HRE. V0 is VCE. Clear? What I am trying to do is trying to say is the same steps you have. If you understood this, you will know what you have to do for common base. Again the same steps. Only the variables they change a little bit. Okay? So this is IB, HIE, SRE, VCE. Okay? HRE, this is IB, VCE. Okay? HRE, right? So only in this final expression, only the additional second substrate you will get. Rest all the same. Here, okay. Now, if you have understood this, repeat the same for. See what I am trying to say in the question. Based on what question is asked. If question they are asked, analyze a transistor amplifier. They didn't mention common emitter, common base, common collector. Then previous analysis. Suppose if they say analyze CE amplifier, then this analysis. Clear? Okay? Next, sometimes instead of calling this as VBE, they simply call it as VB, because emitter is anyway grounded. Emitter is anyway grounded. There is no other element here from emitter to ground. Clear? So base emitter voltage will be simply equal to base voltage. It is VBE or simply VB. Likewise, they will call this as VCE or simply VC. Clear? The same is we have shown this for Y0 output admittance. The same is valid for input impedance, current gain, voltage gain, etc. Okay? Anybody didn't understand? Want me to repeat again? Raise your hand. Okay. Next we will go for CC amplifier. CC amplifier I will tell. CC I will just review the main circuit and I will give it as homework. Okay? Simple. Very easy. Anybody write this? The last I will see this. Anybody write this? Raise your hand. Okay. So next we will go for CC amplifier. CC amplifier, only this I will give you. Rest I hope you will understand how to change that. Okay? So, see, circuit of CC amplifier very simple. Same structure. This resistor will go here. Okay? The output we will take here. Rest all the same. Tapan, any doubts? So, this directly connected here. Okay? Capacitor will also So this becomes V naught. Additionally, we will have a resistor. Okay. RE. Right? Sorry, RL. Additionally, we will have a resistor there, RL. Right? So this is the circuit for CC amplifier. Okay. Why this is CC amplifier? Because from AC equivalent point of view, DC you will consider as ground. So collector is directly connected to DC, so collector is ground, AC point of view. That is why this is common color. Clear? Okay. Next, what will be the modifications here? What is the second subscript we have to add? C. Okay. HR becomes HIC, HR becomes HRC, HR becomes HRC, HO becomes HRC. Clear? Next, what about the input voltages and currents? See here, base, emitter, collector. Okay. So the input is base. Two common. What is the common? Collector. Right? Next, what is the input current? Simply base current. So, IB. What is the output voltage? See, output we are taking at emitter. So, V0 becomes VE. And what is the common collector? So, VEC. Here. Next, last one. I0. What is I0, everybody? IE. Okay. So you will take the general circuit, you will make all these replacements. That will be the analysis of CC amplifier. Clear? Okay. Shall I erase this? Then I write this one. Next, common base amplifier. Again, you have to remember this circuit. Very simple. When base is common, emitter is input. Base is common means directly we are connecting base to ground. When base is common, emitter is input. Okay. You know we are using one coupling capacitor at the input side. We can call this BS, source resistance RS. Then at the output we have RL, and here we take V0. We will put again one coupling. Okay. Common base amplifier. This is the circuit, and so this is emitter, base, collector. Okay. So how to guarantee that this is common base? Okay. Base is common, then base is common, emitter is input, collector is output. Clear? Okay. So what are the, this one we will take as homework. Okay, so take that as homework. And what are the modifications here also? Very easy. Where second substrate we will change, and what is the input, what is the output, we will change. Next, last topic of unit 4. Approximate. Amen. Any doubts? Next, approximate H parameter model. Very easy. Here, total how many H parameters we have? Bhavani, how many H parameters we have? 4. HIE, HRE, HFE, HOE. Clear? So among these 4, okay. Anybody still writing this? Raise your hand. Anybody writing this? Raise your hand. Okay. Shall I raise? Among these 4, okay. See question 14 in your question bank. There you have typical values of H parameters, okay, and relation between the H parameters of common base, common emitter, common collector. You need not derive if you remember, it is sufficient, okay, right? If you look at that, what we actually identify is HRE and HOE are small values. Okay, right? So we are now going for approximate H parameter model or approximate hybrid model for transistor. So what do we can neglect among these? Among these we see among 4 HIE, HRE, HFE, HOE, what are the 2 we can neglect? Siri, what are the 2 terms we can neglect here? Small way neglect chestunnaru. Which 2 you will neglect? HIE, yeah. HIE and HRE and HOE. Simple. So all you will do is this is gone. Okay? This is gone. Clear? Right? Circuit becomes very simple. Whatever is in the dotted lines, only that one now I am focusing. This one. Leave DSRS. Source we are leaving. RL we are leaving. We are only focusing on the hybrid model of transistor. Okay? So, it simply becomes only HIE you have. Correct? Then, what else you have? HFE, IB. Only these two, HIE, HFE, IB. These two gone into. Clear? So, this is the approximate model of the transistor. Okay? So, obviously, this one is emitter, this is base, this is collector. What is this? IB. Remember, approximate model is derived from common emitter configuration. Clear? Now it is like, see, this same diagram, can I draw like this? Sorry, this is base, emitter, collector. Can I draw like this? Both are same? Yes? So now, this is valid for any configuration. It is like 3 sticks joined at one common point. If you want a common collector, pull the collector down. Move the emitter to that side. It becomes common collector. It is like 3 sticks joined at one common point. Now this approximate model is valid for any configuration. Clear? Okay? This approximate model is valid for any common. For suppose common base you will pull down, emitter you will pull here, it becomes common. Clear? Because it is simply like three sticks connected at one common point. This approximate model, although derived from common emitter configuration, is valid for all the three: common base, common emitter, common terminal. Okay? So this is HID as it is. This is HLG IB as it is. This is IB. Last circuit, CE amplifier with emitter resistor. Okay? Last circuit is CE amplifier with emitter resistor. Anybody writing this? Raise your hand. You want me to explain this or you will take it as homework? Homework this one, right? How many say explain, raise your hand? Okay, outline I will take you. You try. Okay? See, C amplifier with emitter resistor. Next we will go for very simple. First class C amplifier. What is the C amplifier? Just now we have seen. This is the CE amplifier. This is plus VCC, RL, okay, V0, and this one we have connected to ground. Okay, this is VS, RS. Emitter we have connected to ground. Correct? That is common emitter with this common emitter amplifier. With emitter resistor means here instead of connecting ground, we will have R. Okay? Right? So how will you analyze this circuit is you will go for AC equivalent. Here directly you can understand. Collector is grounded, common collector. Okay? Here what you need to do is you need to consider AC equivalent. AC equivalent means only 2 points. Capacitor acts as short circuit, replace VCC with ground. So capacitor acts as short circuit. For the input side you have Vs, then followed by RS. Capacitor acts as short circuit, so directly going for base, then emitter resistor RE, then collector. This is emitter, base, collector. Collector is output. So here we have V0, right? Here we have V0. Collector is output. But from collector to VCC you have RL. But VCC replaced by ground means collector to ground you have RL. Clear? Next, replace this transistor with this circuit. Then apply KVL, KCL, find voltage gain, current gain, input resistance, output resistance. Over. Clear? Try it. So as I have said, take it as homework. If doubts, don't hesitate to ask in next class. This analysis, lengthy analysis we did. This is very simple analysis. Okay? Easily you can do, provided you do it with concentration. Okay? So next class we will start unit 5.